I'm about to tell you something that sounds completely fake, but it is 100% real. For basically all of human history, the Earth has actually been spinning slower and slower over time, but in the last few years that completely flipped. The trend has reversed, and now, our planet is spinning faster. Since 2020, the Earth has been smashing records for the fastest days ever clocked by scientists. A record for the shortest day was set in June 2022, and this trend is predicted to continue. This isn't just some fun fact, this is a huge deal that has scientists scrambling. This could literally break your phone's GPS, the power grid, and even the internet. We are living through a fundamental change to our planet, and we have to figure out why, fast. For thousands of years, the most reliable clock anyone had was the Earth itself. One spin is a day, one orbit is a year. It's the rhythm of life. For billions of years, the main thing slowing us down has been the moon. The moon's gravity creates tides, and the friction from all that water dragging on the ocean floor acts like a giant brake on the planet. But around 2020, that rule got completely destroyed. The slowing stopped, and the planet suddenly started to speed up. After getting longer for centuries, our days are now getting shorter, and a top researcher literally said, "Nobody expected this." So, how in the world do you make a planet that weighs 6 sextillion tons spin faster? The answer is something you've definitely seen before: an ice skater. Earth is doing the exact same thing. Something is pulling its mass in. The number one suspect is thousands of miles under our feet, the Earth's giant churning molten core. But here is where it gets insane. At the exact same time, another massive force is trying to do the opposite. Climate change is melting trillions of tons of ice from glaciers. Isn't that wild? A battle between the planet's molten core and melting ice at the poles is deciding how long our day is. It's crazy how everything is connected. If you find this as insane as I do me a favor and slam that like button and subscribe right now. Let us know in the comments, which force do you think will win this fight? Okay, so the Earth is spinning a few milliseconds faster. Who cares, right? Wrong. This tiny change could cause a global catastrophe because of our technology. Our entire world runs on one official clock, Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC. It's governed by hundreds of hyper-accurate atomic clocks. But now we have the opposite problem. The Earth is spinning faster, so for the first time in history, we might have to introduce a negative leap second. That means we would have to delete a second from time. I'm not kidding. Computer systems are built on the idea that time only moves forward. Subtracting a second could crash financial markets, GPS, and power grids. The planet speeding up has forced a massive decision. The people who manage global time are facing a choice: risk the chaos of a negative leap second, or change the entire system. And here is the most ironic twist of all time. The one thing that might be saving us from this headache is climate change. I'm serious. Even with all this craziness, scientists believe the very long-term trend is still for the Earth to slow down. The moon's braking power hasn't gone anywhere. So this speed up might just be a temporary blip, that just so happens to be happening at the exact moment we depend on computers for literally everything. So, here's the bottom line. We live on a completely wild and unpredictable planet, driven by its molten core and shifting ice. Yet we've built our entire digital world on the idea that time is perfectly stable and predictable. The Earth just proved it is not. For decades, we had a simple plan for a planet that was slowing down, but now it's throwing us a massive curveball. It's speeding up, creating a huge vulnerability in our modern world. Our clocks and everything that runs on them were just not built for a planet that's in a hurry. We are now facing something that has never happened before. For the first time, we might have to literally delete a second of time just to keep our digital world from crashing down. It's an insane reminder that we are all just passengers on this giant spinning rock that is always, and unpredictably, in motion. If you want to keep exploring the incredible science of our home, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. You should definitely check out our other video, What If the Earth Stopped Spinning? Thanks for watching.